Yes guys, morning again. We're here on another one. I am at Breadnut Valley. I'm just taking you on a tour with me so you can see the nice place we have here in St. Elizabeth. So journey with me. Yes guys, so here is a very nice place. Over here is very nice, well kept, clean. So I'm taking you on a little tour so you can see the water. Yes guys, so I'm here on the walk to the Great Falls of Breadnut Valley. It's a lot of walk, as I've been told. So guys, here is one of the changing room and bathroom down there. So I'm still on the hike guys. Take a look at nature guys. It's very pretty. So guys, when you come here, you must look out for the signs. Danger, deep water. The water here is pretty deep, so you got to be cautious, very careful. Look at that guys, look at that. Going down nearer to the falls guys. Giving you a close-up view. So right up here, guys, is a nice family adventurous place. This is an adjoining water from Maggotty coming to the JPS Falls area here. So the water is very loud. Up here is very deep. Apple Valley Park is nearby, guys, but as you have known that Apple Valley Park has been closed. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at the beauty. So, guys, over here, you have to pay a fee to come over here. So you and your family can come and enjoy the beauty of nature over Breadnut Valley Falls. Nature walk, guys, nature walk. Strictly no dumping. Warning, swim at your own risk. Guys, whenever you go at any place like these, try and read the signs. No dumping. So you swim at your own risk here. So there is another waterfalls. Water is cool and nice, guys. Look at this, guys. Water is so clean and pretty, guys. Guys, there are a lot of beautiful places in Jamaica that we don't even know. So guys, we need to know about our country. We need to know about our culture. Yes guys, I'm going back down now. Yes guys, so a cost of $500 per person is the fee to come over here, and it is located in St. Elizabeth in the Maggotty area, so you guys can come and check it out. It's a very nice place. Yes guys, so I take it that this was a great tour. It's a nice early morning walk. So up here you have nature at its best. So guys, up here is a nice family adventurous place. You can come, you can enjoy yourself, you and your family. So they host like weddings, receptions, and all of those things over here. So guys, I will pin the number in the description below. If you want to call and make a reservation, you can call and make a reservation so you can come here and enjoy yourself along with your family and your friends. Okay guys, here are the bathrooms guys. As you can see, they play like volleyball and so forth, football over here. Yes guys, so over here you have your food place. Yes guys, so this is Breadnut Valley. So I hope you enjoy this tour, and thank you also for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.